Hi learners, R tool is an open source software that is most popular for statistical analysis. Currently it is supporting a lot of machine learning implementations also. So this video will try to understand how to install R, and there is another IDE that is provided by the R community for the benefit of the users, which is Rstudio. Rstudio is an integrated development environment which comprises of the programming, looking at the output, the error window and everything altogether comes as an integrated development environment which is based on R. So let us see how to install both R and Rstudio through this video. Just go to Google, type R download. You could see CRAN, which is Comprehensive R Archive Network, which is the official web page of this Rstudio community. Just we can go to the latest version R 4.0.3. If you click on here, you could see I am using Windows and hence I am using the download for Windows. If you are a Mac user or a Linux user, your support is also there. Just you click on here, your exe will get downloaded. So just store on to your required position. It will take a minute or so to get downloaded. So once downloaded, you can see the icon R 4.0.3-win. The exe will be there on the desktop. This is the location which I have chosen. Just double click on this to install Rstudio. Click on yes. It needs your permission to get installed. English is my preferred language. So clicking on yes. Yes, this is the license agreement. Click on next. Choose the location in which you want the installation, and you can check on what kind of environment you are in need of. I am using a 64-bit OS, but I am also in need to support 32-bit. So both I am installing. So if you want customized startup, you can go here where you have to choose your own parameters for that. But I am not going. So general installation. So how do you want the program to look like? If it is just R, you can leave it, or if you want, you can give any name. I want to create a shortcut in the desktop for easy access, so I'm clicking on this checkbox. That's all. Once this setup is over, click on finish. Now that you could see a shortcut created on your desktop titled R. Just double click on that. It will open a window of this kind for you. This is nothing but the R tool. You could see the help about its R version 4.0.3. It was copyrighted by R Foundation for Statistical Computing. R is an interpreted program, which means once you type a command, it will be executed and immediately you can get to know the result. Just to check whether the software is working properly or not, I am just pressing print hello. You could see the output here. Just I am typing 2 plus 3. Yes, you can see 5 is my output. 2 multiplied by 3, 6 is value. Fine. Now let's move on to install Rstudio. The same way, just go click on Rstudio download. You can go to rstudio.com. Yes, we can choose our version. Lot of things are available. Being an academician or initial level programmer, this is enough. Go to this free version. You can download it. I am using Rstudio for Windows. Just we have to save it as usual. Once downloaded, you will see an icon like this. Just double click on that icon. Yes, it is requesting you for the permission. Just follow up the steps as usual. Click on next and then choose the location. and whether you want to create a shortcut. Yes, I want to do install. Just your RStudio is ready now. Just click on RStudio. You'll be given with an integrated development environment. Yes, this is the RStudio environment. Here you can see this is the script window where you can type your code, and this is where it gets executed. This is the environment variables. So environment variables, if you have, it will be shown here. And this is where we'll see what are the list of files you're going to have, and what the different plots. If you are using visualization over here, that will be displayed here. The various packages that we need to install on the R environment, and you'll have an help over here, and there is a viewer window. So these four altogether comes in single environment, and that's why you can just execute, visualize, you can add files to that, you can install, everything could be done on the single environment, and hence this is called as an integrated development environment. Just let us do the same of what we have done there. I am trying to do this. Click on the run button. You could see the interpreter over here. Just if I type 2 plus 3, run it, you can see the output. The same what we did on the R environment. Yes, hope this is useful. Thank you.